guys, so it's me again, and please don't forget to like and share. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to have for dinner. Of course, I'm going to marinate my harness chicken with paprika, Italian seasoning, black pepper, salt, garlic, onion powder, chili flakes, and that's my Harnish hen. And of course, these are my wet ingredients: lemon, thyme, rosemary, and coconut oil. And I'm just mixing my dry ingredients, so it's gonna be so delicious, guys. And I'm going to rub with my Harnish hen, and I'm gonna marinate my dry ingredients with my Harnish hen for at least like 30 minutes, so it's gonna be like so delicious and so tasty, and we can taste all the ingredients. And I'm going to rub it all over the place. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to support, like, and I really appreciate it. And of course, guys, I'm just gonna I just add my potatoes, and yeah, so I'm adding white onion. The good thing about living alone, guys, is that you can do whatever you want. You can cook. There's no one telling you what to do, and you can clean as you want. So that's my Harnish chicken. I'm just gonna marinate for 30 minutes, and after that, guys, after that, I'm gonna transfer it to the oven for 45 minutes. And that's my this is my green beans. So I'm just going to boil not until it's tender, and I just add some salt, and I also like vegetables because it's so healthy, full of fiber and protein. And now I'm just removing it, and after that, guys, I'm just going to saute. I'm using coconut oil because I ran out of olive oil, so coconut oil is my alternative. And at the same time, I don't have garlic, fresh garlic, so I'm just using a garlic powder. So that's my garlic powder, and now I'm just adding my green beans. So guys, I don't have anything right now, so also I don't have soy sauce, so I'm using takeout soy sauce, which is still okay. And of course, oyster sauce, so it's gonna be so delicious. So I'm just gonna combine everything and add some salt and black pepper, and my Harnish hen is already ready, fresh from the oven. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I can share this with you guys, and bye, see you soon.